My dears, I had a wonderful dream. In my dream, a lovely lady appeared, saying over and over again, "If you wish to get well, my dear king, let the Adarna Bird come here to sing."
Do you mean the Adarna Bird of Tabor?
Yes, the magic Adarna Bird of Tabor that is known all over the kingdom.
But how can we bring the Adarna Bird of Tabor here?
We'll get the covet bird, Father.
Thanks, my sons, but I cannot allow all of you to leave at the same time.
Being your eldest son, I beg you to let me get the Adarna Bird of Tabor.
I give you permission to go, Pedro. May God bless and guide you on your journey.
I'm worried about our son Pedro. He has been away for a long time.
Could it be that some harm has befallen him? I have nightmares about Pedro's misfortune.
Trust in divine providence. Our son will be protected from harm.
I will never have peace of mind until I see my son Pedro again.
I go to the Mount Tabor, Father. I look for my brother and catch the Adarna bird.
No, Juan, you are too young to undertake such a perilous journey.
Then let me go this time, Father. Being the second eldest, I can take care of myself.
It may be wise to permit Diego.
You may go then. With my blessings, Diego, take good care of yourself. My queen, is there no news of Pedro and Diego yet?
None, my beloved.
I wonder what has become of the two princes. I should not have given them permission to undertake such a dangerous adventure.
I have a premonition that both of our sons are dead.
And I, the king, have sent them to their doom.
Please don't blame yourself, father. Besides, are we sure that they are no longer living?
I can't endure this uncertainty any longer.
I may be young in years, but I'm strong, father. I'm hopeful that I'll find my brothers and bring home the magic Adarna Bird too.
Our son Don Juan is wise and kind. God will surely protect him.
Beg you, father!
Go then, my son. May God guide you and preserve for our kingdom.
Greetings, old man. Do you wish to cross the river?
Yes, indeed. But my knees are wobbly and muscles stiff. I cannot cross alone.
I'll help you, Grandpa. Now get on my back. Ah, here we are now, on the opposite shore, Grandpa.
Thank you, son.
But you look tired and hungry. There is some bread and cheese in my bag. Let's share my poor fare under this shady tree.
Thank you very much. I'm weak from hunger. One good turn deserves another. I know where you are going, son. However, your task is difficult and you need help. When you arrive at the top of the next mountain, look for a little stone, hut where lives a hermit. He will tell you what to do.
Thank you very much, Grandpa. I cannot tarry much longer.
Good luck, and may God be with you.
Welcome, son. Your coming has been expected. So, I had prepared a meal for you. You must dine before you start on your journey.
Thank you. I'm almost famished.
Listen, son. Yonder you'll find a tree with silver leaves. That's where the Adarna bird stays all night. The bird will sing 7 times, and with each song it will change the colors of its plumage. After singing the last melody, it will go to sleep. That's just exact time to catch the magic bird. But it cannot be caught with your bare hands alone. Here is the golden cord to bind the bird's legs. No other cord can serve the purpose.
Thank you so much, good hermit. With God's help and yours, I'm ready to go.
No, not yet. The Adarna song has a magic spell. It lulls the hearer to sleep. Be sure to keep wide awake, for if the droppings of the bird fall on you, you will turn into stone.
I'll try very hard not to sleep.
Take these 7 small lemons and this knife with you. Then after each song, make a cut on your arm and squeeze the lemon juice over the wound. The pain will keep you awake. Avoid any droppings that may fall from the bird.
Thank you for your advice. The Adarna bird will never find me napping.
You may go now, son. But wait! Here is the vessel. Beside the tree, you will find a well. Fill this vessel with water and pour it over the 2 big stones under the silver tree. Your petrified brothers will be brought back to life. May God bless you and keep you safe on your journey home.
Thank you very much, kind hermit. Goodbye.